Ethiopia versus Egypt, it's on. Waya. 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 Today is not just any match. It's Ethiopia versus Egypt. A fiery battle in the heart of Cairo. Fire. This is the 2026 World Cup qualifier. A chance for Ethiopia to write a brand new chapter in football history. 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. local time. Round pushpin Cairo International Stadium. Team Waya is ready, wearing the green, yellow, and red, with sharp focus and bold hearts. They're stepping onto the pitch to face the mighty Egypt. And who's the one holding the whistle? The referee tonight. Tapha from South Africa. A man known for calling it fair and firm. Wanna watch it live? Here's how. Television DSTV Africa 1, Channel 227. Be there. Feel every second. Don't miss a beat. Now let's talk stats. Ethiopia and Egypt have clashed 19 times. Egypt has won 13 matches. Ethiopia has claimed 3 wins. And they've drawn 3 times. And yes, in the last encounter, Egypt beat Ethiopia 2-0. But tonight could be different. Coach Tapha isn't holding back. Microphone will do whatever it takes to make our people proud. Just like we built the dam together. Let's stand together for this match. Unity, grit, pride. That's the Waya spirit. Microphone coach Macy continues. We've worked on our weaknesses. We're focused on results. Egypt is strong, but we have the team, the hunger, and the unity to overcome. Now, to our incredible fans. This moment is yours too. We built the Grand Renaissance Dam with sacrifice and strength. Now it's time to celebrate with a win on the field. Microphone final words from Coach Macy. To all Ethiopians watching, at the stadium, at home, across the world. Let's stand together, wherever we are. White heavy checkmark, so now, it's your turn. Fire like this video if you're Team Waya. Direct hit subscribe so you never miss a match. Speech balloon, drop your prediction in the comments. Who do you think takes it? Outbox Dre and share this video with every proud Ethiopian you know. Clapperboard, and remember, together we stand. Together we win. Together we celebrate.